So the topic that I am starting, resistivity, or you can say specific resistance. Its symbol is rho. Okay. So before starting the specific resistance or resistivity, you should know one thing, like density is fixed for different material. It doesn't change with the amount of the material. Resistivity is of a particular metal is also fixed. If you take different metals, so every metal has given a certain value of resistivity or a specific resistance, and this value doesn't get changed with size of the metal. So this you have to remember. Now see here, since resistance is directly proportional to length of a conductor, like you take a wire, what is the resistance of this wire? Suppose the resistance is R. So we know the resistance of the wire is directly proportional to length. So we can write R proportional to L. And this wire is having certain thickness also. And we know one more thing, the resistance and thickness, that is area of the wire, are inversely proportional. So here what I can write, R is inversely proportional to area of the wire. Now collectively I can write R proportional to, here I'll write collectively R proportional to L upon A. So this we are getting, the resistance is directly proportional to length and resistance is inversely proportional to the area of the cross section of the wire. So here we have written R proportional to L upon A. Now this we can give a name. This is our equation number 1. Now here this relation is given with proportionality sign, and the proportionality sign we will have to remove. So how can we remove? So R will become rho into L upon A. So you will have to give the information about rho. What is this? Here rho is proportionality constant called resistivity of conductor. So now here we will make this rho alone. How can we? This is written here, so rho A would come here and L would come in denominator. So this would be the formula of the resistivity. Resistivity equal to R dot A upon L. So this is equation 2. Now we have to define specific resistance. This is the mathematical formula. This is not the definition. So the wire that you have taken, suppose the wire, here we will write, let the conductor area equal to 1 meter square and length L equal to 1 meter. Then what are you doing? The wire whose resistivity we were calculating. What is the area? Area was here. So what area we have considered? We considered the area equal to 1 meter square. And what length we are considering? We consider length equal to 1 meter. If we put these value here, then what this relation would become? This relation will look like this. Rho equal to R dot 1 upon 1. In place of area we will write meter square, and in place of length we will write meter. So this meter will cancel this. So ultimately this rho would become R meter. And what is the unit of resistance? This is ohm. So now our relation would become like this. Rho equal to R. So what this rho equal to R tells? So rho equal to R means resistivity is equal to the resistance of the conductor. Resistivity is equal to the resistance of the conductor of unit length and unit area of cross section. Means suppose the resistivity of this wire is rho. If this area of the wire becomes 1 and length of the wire also becomes 1, then resistivity would be equal to the resistance.